Hello, here questions given in the light question given on page number 184. Page 184 of your NCERT. The questions are given. Define one diopter. What is the define one diopter? One diopter is the reciprocal of the focal length in meters. One diopter means the length whose focal length is 1 meter is called the power formula. Reciprocal of the focal length of a length is called diopter. Power, and power is indicated by a SI unit. This, so 1 meter. So 1 diopter is equal to 1 upon 1 meter. That is called 1 meter power minus 1. That is 1 diopter. So what the length whose focal length is 1 meter is called 1 diopter. Is its focal length 1 meter. And definition you write down, define the one diopter of the power of length. A convex lens, second question, a convex lens form a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. V is given 50 centimeter. A convex lens means there will be a negative, because convex lens is forming real image is negative, where the needle placed in the front of the convex lens if the image is equal to the size of the object. Where is the needle placed? You want to find out the at 50 centimeter lens form a rear and inverted image at 50 centimeter from it. So what will you do here? 50 centimeter, and where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens if the image is equal in size and object? Equal in size and object, also find the power of the lens. So very equal means 2f1. f1, it means object is at 2f1. Then below the condition, the image will be at 2f2. Same size. You want same size. Same size means, what is? Same size means u is also minus 50. It is given 50 plus 50. What is the object? UV. Always form the image at the direction. So V is equal to 50 centimeter, not minus. U is equal to minus 50. So length formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. What is the 1 by V? 1 upon 50 minus 1 upon minus 50 is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon 50 plus 1 by 50 is equal to 1 by F. That is 2 by 50, 1 upon 25. 1 upon 25 is equal to 1 by F. So F is equal to 25 centimeter. It is your what? Focal length of the convex lens. Convex, that's why it is positive. Convex lens. And power is equal to reciprocal of the lens. It is in centimeter. So focal length is given 25 cm, that will be 25 by 100 meter. So you will write 0.25 meter. So power is equal to 1 by F. 1 upon 0.25 gives you 100 by 25. 25 for the 100. 4 diopter. What is the power? Power of the lens is 4 diopter in positive, because it is a which lens? Convex lens. Third question of this is given. Question number 3. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 centimeter. Concave. Concave means concave focal length is positive, negative, not positive. It is 2 meter. Focal length is given 2 meter. So power is equal to 1 by F in meter. So 1 by minus 2, that's give you minus 0.5 diopter. What is the power? Power is given minus 0.5 diopter. Very simple part you are getting. Now the exercise questions you will see. What is exercise of NCERT? Exercise questions of the NCERT. What is given? Question number 1. In the question number 1, it is given which one of the following. Some option is given in the book. Question question number 1. Which one of the following is a material cannot be used to make the lens? Which one of the following material cannot be used to make the lens? That is called water, glass, plastic and clay. So your answer will be what is clay, because it is not transparent, so it is not used for lens. Plastic also you can use, glass you can use, but water. Second question, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be a virtual, erect and large. Concave, then the object. Erect and large, then the object. Where should be the position of the object? Where should be the position of the object? 4 options are given here. Question number 2, there is a 4 options given. So between the pole and the, so that options you remember, what will you get? It is between the pole. Clay is the, then what is the correct answer? Add the principal focus. So add twice of the focal length at infinity. Between the optical center and the lens, it's a principal focus. So it will be also the D. Between the principal focus F and optical center. Between the optical center and the what is given? Between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. Pole and principal focus. Question number 3. What is given? Where should be the object is placed in the front of a convex lens to get the real image size of the object is at real image of the size of object. Real image of the size of the object that you are seeing, it will be at twice the focal length. At twice the focal length, R2F1, it is not given, it is twice at C. F1 and 2F1. When 2F1 you get the same size image as 2F2. So what will be the correct answer? Third, B is the correct answer. Fourth one, what is given? Question number 4. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each focal length minus 10 cm. Then the mirror and the lens are likely to be both concave. A spherical mirror is minus 15 cm. Mirror focal length is minus. Which mirror focal length is minus? Concave or convex? That you will get mirror is the minus in the which same side, that is the concave mirror, and the lens will be negative, is also the concave lens. What will you get? Both will be concave. That you are getting, the answer is first, both will be the concave. Both concave, you know, that is the concave mirror. Converging mirror, focal length is here. Concave lens, that is the diverging lens. So focal length is also this side. So it is both concave. Question number 5. What is given? Question number 5 is given. The number, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be, no matter where you are standing, any place, always your image is forming the this. Then what type of mirror is this? Either plane mirror or a convex. Convex always erect image you form. Both the, it is very small, or convex mirror used at a rear view mirror. Convex lens, mirror, both are mirror. There will be a plane mirror, you will get always same. Plane mirror or the convex, that is D. D part is correct. Both are the plane mirror or the convex. Sixth question. Question number 6. In the question number 6 it is given, which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading a small letter found in the dictionary? Convex lens, focal length 50, convex lens focal length 25, convex lens focal length 5, convex lens focal length 5 centimeter. That is very simple. 6. Question number 6. A convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. Concave will not use. 50 is the pi or more. So what will you get? 1 upon 5, that is 10 centimeter. So what is the convex lens of focal length? 5 centimeter will be used. In this, the convex lens, smaller focal length should be used. Smaller focal length is 5. So what is the correct answer? C. C part. What is the C part? Convex lens of focal length 5. There is a convex lens of 50 also given, but you don't use that. Question number 7 is given. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object. What you want to erect image? We want the erect image. First thing, we want to get the erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length. Concave mirror of focal length. Concave mirror has focal length negative minus 15 centimeter. Concave mirror and convex. Concave mirror has negative. Then what will you get here? Concave mirror with focal length 15 centimeter. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? You want the erect image you want? Erect image will be formed. Erect image will be formed when object will be at the where? Between pole and focus. Between the pole and focus, then only you will get object image. Write this. Between pole and focus. Here is the focus, here is the C, here is the pole. When object is here, then you will get, after this parallel will be reflected here and it will go there, and which is here, it will go there, and you are getting a erect image here. So like this, when you want the erect image, then object should be between pole and focus. So what is the range between pole and focus? What is the nature of the image? It is virtual and erect. What will you get? Virtual and erect. Magnified. If the image is larger or smaller, it is the larger. What type of image you will get? As it will be a concave mirror. What will you get? Because you are getting, then there will be a 15 centimeter length is given behind the mirror. Larger object, virtual, erect and magnified image you will get. Ray diagram also is saying in the question, you draw the ray diagram, so you will draw the ray diagram. Nature, virtual, erect, magnified. That you will write. Question number 7 is over. Question number 8. Name the type of mirror used in the following situation. Question number 8. Name the type of image using first A, B, C. 3 things are given. For headlights of car. Headlights of the car is using. Headlights of the car is using what? Concave. Why? Because they converging. They want to converge. That is concave mirror. Like a torch. What will you write here? Concave mirror. Concave mirror used because you want to convert the light. Second one is given the side rear view mirror, that is the convex. No, side or vehicle. Convex. What will you get? Convex. You want the erect image always. And the solar furnaces. That you write concave because you want to collect. You want to collect the concave mirror used for boiling point more than this. So it is used. Question number 9 is given. Half of the, very sharp, 1/2 of the convex lens is covered. Question number 9. 1/2 of the convex lens is covered. This is given. 1/2 of the convex lens is covered by black paper, while this lens produces a complete image. Will its complete image or not? Yes, it also complete image. Verify your answer by experimentally explain your observation. It is a cover, then what will you get? If object is here, F2, F1, F2, yes, it forms the complete full image, sharp and full and sharp image. It will use the like this. There is a not here. What will you use? Focus. By focus, or you can say this image will be used. It will be experimentally you can draw it. The image will be from here and you get one here and one here image will be formed. This side experimentally it is a covered black color, but your image will be formed by the rest half act as a refraction will be taken the rest half length. So you will get the same sharp image in this. So both the cases, upper part, if upper part is colored, then from lower it will be used. If the lower is black, then upper will be used as a refraction and it will give you the same image. Full image you will get. Half of the length is covered then also. That's all for today, and rest part I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.